Constance products are known globally for its highest standards in R&D, manufacturing and quality control. Exported to over 30 countries, Constance product complies to international standards and accreditations such as ISO 9001, 13485, 14001, SGS, CE, NSF, N and FDA. Today, Constance takes pride to update its hotline product portfolio with 8 new series. First is the popular FC9003 desktop Force Oven series that comes with 4 models from capacity of 43, 71, 136 and 225 liter with maximum temperature 250 C. Next is bestseller FCH9006 vertical Force Convection Oven series with 6 models from 30, 65, 125, 230, 420 and 625 liter with maximum temperature of 300 C. All come with glass window and stainless steel interior. For temperature up to 400 C, Constance has UFC 9008 Force Convection Oven series that comes with 5 sizes, namely 50, 80, 100, 150 and 200 liter. Constance also has Natural Gravity Convection Oven GCH9007 series with maximum 300 C and comes in 4 models, namely 30, 65, 125 and 225 liter. For samples sensitive to oxidation, we have 4 models of VC6000 vacuum oven series. First 3 models of 24, 52 and 91 liter sets at max 250 C and pumps are optional. The largest model 213 liter temperature sets at max 200 C with built-in pump. VC has vacuum power of -133 Pascal with microprocessor control that can be programmed to run auto or manual. For incubation application, IN9000 comes in 4 models 45, 65, 125 and 210 liter with extreme stable heating control of ±0.5 C and temperature below 70 C. For incubation at cool temperature, Constance offers CIN9000 series. It has 3 models, namely 70, 150 and 250 liter and temperature control from 0 C to 65 C. Finally, Constance upgraded its heat furnace with 4 new models in FN1200 series, namely 2, 7, 12 and 16 liter. Maximum temperature sets at 1200 C with safe and rigid structure and auto or manual program PID microprocessor. Globally, Constance offers precise instruments for lab and research. Visit our website at constancelab.com or contact us directly for further information. Thank you.